Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to solve exercise 3 from creative writing book 5. So we start our lesson. This is page number 25. A. Using the helping words in the box, complete the sentences in the passage. Describe in detail the scenery as seen through the eyes of the writer. Dark clouds, streak, horizon, hover, roaring of thunder, rainbow, gust of wind, humid, stretch, rustling of leaves, storm, orange fireball, a flash of lightning, fresh mist. As I wandered along the path to the park, I felt a sudden gust of wind without warning. The sky was filled with dark clouds. The trees were beginning to shake. I looked up and felt the first drop of rain on my face. Having no umbrella with me, I ran as quickly as I could to the nearest shelter in the park. By the time I took cover, my clothes were already wet through. After waiting for 15 minutes, the rain started heavily. It was only then that I realized how beautiful the park could be after a heavy rain. The air was so cool and fresh. Above the canopy of the trees, there seemed to be a slight mist. Even the bushes and flowers beside the shelter I was in seemed to be fresh and captivating. Up in the sky, I could see the sun like a huge orange fireball. I had never taken the time to appreciate what nature had to offer me. After today, I will always keep my eyes open for such beauty that nature provides for me. B. Brainstorm and list the words and phrases that are used to describe the following scenes. Scene, words, phrases. 1. A shopping area in the city center before Eid. Words. Colorful, beautiful, shopping, chocolate, crowd, decorate, present, cards, henna, enjoy. Phrases. Neon lights. Be intoxicated with joy, hustle and bustle in the streets. 2. Independence Day. Words. Holiday, excitement, songs, respect. Phrases. Singing the national anthem, flying the flag high. 3. First day of Ramadan. Prayers. The words are prayers, dusk, dawn, saran, hunger, sharing. Phrases. From dusk to dawn, fasting. 4. Eid Milan party. Thrilled, food presents, enjoyable party. Phrases. Food and drink, transformation of the place. 5. A birthday party. Gas, presents, clap, candle, host, surprises. Phrases. Delicious cake, well decorated house, tasty food. 6. First day of school. Words. Excited, bell, nervous, recess, big, discipline. Phrases. New friends, settled in, heavy bag. C. An acrostic poem is a piece of writing whereby the first to the last letter spells out a word vertically. The beginning letter of each line is used to make a sentence that tells you of the subject you are writing. Write an acrostic poem on the following scenery by means of describing it in full. Beach, beach, asking in the hot sun, basking in the hot sun, eating sandwiches by the shore, adults playing volleyball, children splashing all around in the sea, having lots of fun. S. Scores of people. You. Under the orange sky. And night is arriving. As sun is at the horizon. E. Extending a warm glow over everyone. T. Thrilled to see the wonder of nature. 2. M. Massive molds from the earth. O. Often climbed by people. U. Unnerving for some. And natural habitats for some animals. T. Train tracks go around them. A. Apex reveals a beautiful scenery. I. Interesting to explore. And navigation is challenging as studied by scientists. 3. D. Diamonds of nature. E. Evaporate quickly. W. White and glistening. D. Drip down from the leaves. R. Represents the start of the day. O. Often go unnoticed by people. P. Proof that morning has arrived. S. Source of water. D. By using a different style of writing, your essay becomes a much more interesting piece to read. You can do that through the use of similes and metaphors. Simile. Used to liken a person or a thing to someone or something else. You can identify a simile because of the words used like, as if. For example, she lights up my world just like a bubble that lights up a dark room. Metaphor. Used to describe something by referring to something else which has the qualities that you want to express but without using the words like as, etc. For example, she is a bulb that lights up my life. Use your imagination to describe an object in two ways, a simile and a metaphor. Write it in a sentence in the given space. Object sun, sentence containing similes. The sun is like a huge golden ball in the sky. Sentence containing metaphors. The sun is a golden ball in the sky. Wind. The wind moves as if it is water running over us. Metaphor. The moving wind is water running over us. Clouds. White clouds are like balls of cotton, and in metaphor, white clouds are balls of cotton. River. Simile. The river is as dangerous as the claws of a tiger. Metaphor. The river is the claws of the tiger. Moon. The moon is like a round white ball. Metaphor. The moon is a round white ball. Stars. Simile. The stars dot the night sky like freckles dot a face. Metaphor. The stars in the sky are freckles on a face. Snow. Simile. Snow covers the ground like a white blanket. Metaphor. Snow that covers the ground is a white blanket. E. Jot down 5 descriptive phrases for each picture. Try to do it as spontaneously as possible. A. Joyful and excited children. B. Colorful kites flying freely. C. Blue skies spotted with clouds. D. Laughter fills the park. E. A gentle breeze blowing. Second, in the second picture, A. A puzzled look. B. Accidentally knocked into. C. Bicycle damaged. D. Filled with anger. E. Want an apology. In the third picture, A. Carefree child. B. In a happy mood. 3. Excitement visible on face. D. Tired old lady. E. Carefully sweeping the floor. 4. A. Roads filled with cars. B. Children are waiting to cross the road. C. Roar of the cars. D. Follow safety rules is better. E. A humid day. F. You were feeling bored and decided to take a stroll down the beach in the evening. Describe in detail what you saw there as you strolled along the beach in about 200 words. Helpful hints to get you started. The first thing that struck you about the beach. Describe in detail the sea, sand, people, and trees. Describe the activities found at the beach. Describe the scene of the setting sun. Express your feelings of catching such a remarkable sight. A stroll. As the beach was approaching, the briny smell of seawater reached my nose. At that moment, I started to search for the row of trees, for the vast expanse of water and the soft sand. I stumbled down a grassy patch and landed at the edge of the sand. Immediately I was overstruck by the sight before me. I had come to the beach numerous times, but each time I could not resist to the massive amount of sand. I kicked off my shoes and walked in the direction of the refreshment stand. I was so overjoyed that I felt on top of the world. I saw a group of children at the edge of the water. They were indulged in making sand castles. Their colorful spades and pails were scattering all over the sand. As darkness crept up on the beach, the people began packing up. They folded their mats and left the beach. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.